Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Frank Yamaha hakan riu trik ujumang arhajar apun riu. Kala Paidbah ya ka Fascino 125 hybrid ka Thymmai. Ka badai ka arshaka ba Thymmai. Ka bapinya lang ya ka dur ka ba itanat bat ka technology hybrid ka batbit. Ya kani ka Fascino lashna kerpang na kabenta kinongnya ki ba menta. Ya kani ka Fascino ba Thymmai la Paidbah de ki model ka balapan long ha Heritage Club Tripura Castle Shillong. Kabenta kabakongsan jong ka Fascino 125 hybrid kadonnya ka smart motor generator system kani ka hybrid assist kamday tang ban penklan ya ka jinglong jingman henrei ka yarapru ban pendunai ka jingbam petrol kabapen long ya ka wei na ki jingjiet babhatam na kabenta ka jingyat hasor shillong kani ka arshaka ka donru ya ka engine 125cc BS6 complain kabaay ka jingya day kababiyang hapadeng ka bor bat ka jingpenon kam petrol. Ha kalyang kadur kadar ka Fascino 125 hybrid kadang beteng ban penpau ya kadur European style ka ba itanat kirong ki babaha bat kadur kadar ka ba itanat.
We don't just introduce a scooter,
Bigger one.
we introduce a statement. A statement of style, a statement of intelligence, a statement of evolution. This is the new Yamaha Fascino 125 Fi hybrid, where timeless design meets modern technology. At its heart lies a 125cc blue-core hybrid engine, engineered to deliver not just performance, but efficiency, refinement, and responsiveness. With enhanced power assist, the Fascino responds instantly, giving you that extra boost exactly when you need it, whether it's a city traffic or uphill rides. And with a mileage of nearly 68 km per litre, it ensures that every ride is as economical as it is enjoyable. But what truly sets the Fascino apart is how it feels. At just around 99 kilograms, It is one of the lightest scooters in its category, making it effortless to handle, effortless to ride, and effortless to laugh. Add to that, start and stop system, smart motor generator system, Bluetooth connectivity with Y-Connect, and what you get is not just a machine, but a smart connected riding experience. Now let's talk about where we are. Shillong. Shillong is not just a city. It is a rhythm, culture, elevation, and expression. And the Fascino fits the lifestyle perfectly. Its lightweight body makes it ideal for Shillong hilly roads and sharp turns. The hybrid assist ensures smoother pickup on inclines and gradients. Its fuel efficiency makes daily commuting economical in a city that moves constantly. And most importantly, not just a scooter built for the road. This is a scooter built for your personality, for your style, for your confidence, and for your everyday expression. Because in a city like Shillong, we don't follow trend, we create them. And with the new Yamaha Fascino, we don't just ride, we arrive. Thank you.